Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass Python exams. To succeed, begin by mastering the fundamental concepts of Python programming. Consistent practice is crucial. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to coding exercises. Reviewing past exam papers will help you identify recurring question types and understand the expected depth of knowledge. This foundational approach will significantly boost your confidence. Dive deep into Python's core elements, starting with data types, variables, and operators. A solid understanding of control flow, including if-else statements and various loops, is essential. Next, master defining and calling functions, which are key for modular code. Finally, explore object-oriented programming concepts like classes and objects to write more complex programs. Enhance your learning with smart study methods. Active recall, where you test yourself frequently, significantly improves memory. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing topics at increasing intervals to solidify your understanding. Practice solving a wide variety of programming problems, not just textbook examples. Crucially, learn to debug your code and understand common error messages. On exam day, effective time management is paramount. Allocate specific minutes to each question. Read every question thoroughly to ensure you understand all requirements before writing any code. If your exam involves writing code by hand, practice this skill beforehand. Approach the exam with a calm and positive mindset, trusting in your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.